Jai Hind children. Today we'll study about the drama If I Were You. This drama is written by Douglas James. This one act play by Douglas James is a dialogue between Gerard, the playwright, and an intruder who is a criminal. Gerard lives a lonely life in a small cottage. One day, while he was talking over the telephone, an intruder enters his cottage with a revolver. He resembles Gerard and so intends to kill him to take on his identity and live as Gerard for the rest of his life. He had a vague idea of Gerard. The intruder was a murderer who had to his credit the murderer of a policeman too. The policemen were on a lookout for him, and that was the reason he was at Gerard's cottage. When the intruder broke into Gerard's cottage, the latter was preparing to go out for a drama rehearsal. He was preparing his bed on which he had placed the props. The intruder bumps accidentally against the table, and at the sound, Gerard turns quickly. But he does not get panicked. Instead, he maintains calm and gently asks the intruder his name. The intruder, however, ignores Gerard's question and shows much interest in knowing his full name. He asks many questions to Gerard. Gerard answers his questions very wisely. The intruder threatened to kill Gerard using his revolver and revealed him his wicked intentions. Getting a grip of the situation, Gerard tells the intruder that he himself was a murderer and he was a man wanted by the police, and supports his story by telling him that if he kills Gerard, he is sure to be hanged. Gerard explains the intruder that one of his men had been caught by the police. He was expecting trouble that night. He then makes the intruder understand that it is a good for him if he runs away with him in his car to a safe place. He also says he has placed a man to let him know if the police were approaching. He tells the intruder to shoot him in the car if he does not believe what had been told to him. As they were about to leave, Gerard opens a door which was in reality the door to a wardrobe and pushes him into the wardrobe, knocks the revolver off the intruder's hands and locks the door. He then calls for the police. Children, the drama If I Were You conveyed a very important message. Ideally, the idea of developing the presence of mind and intelligence while being faced with a threatening situation is the key point in the drama. Gerard traps the intruder very cleverly. Gerard was an intelligent man. He was not the one to be fooled easily. Using his presence of mind, he told the intruder that he himself was a criminal and was trying to escape the cops. Gerard fools the intruder, confines him in a cupboard, and finally hands him over to the sergeant. Thus, he puts himself in the shoes of the intruder to get rid of him and hand him over to the police. Thank you.